when we're doing patchwork, we don't see a lot of mosaics, but we see a lot of, pebble tech. Do you have to, and I picture that like the truck bed lining, patching that. Do you have to redo the whole thing to make it match?
So that's one of the most challenging things about our job is the patch bleaches out. So the original Pebble Tech is generally bleached out and faded by the time we get in there to do a repair. So the customer wants us to come up with a patch that's also bleached out and faded to match seamlessly, right? Well, there's tons of different colors in Pebble Tech, right? Different size rock, different glass additives. So we really go the extra mile in our shop to carry all of the different color rock options and glass options. And we really give our customers the best patch possible. And the same thing on a deck, whether you have Sotil tile, Cantera stone, travertine, concrete pavers, we match it all. We'll go to every tile center in town to make sure that you get the best patch possible at all times.
Interesting. And that patch will adhere to the old one. You don't have to worry about this is the only analogy I can think of, but like a hot glue. It works temporarily, but it's not a long-term fix. A couple weeks later, you can almost peel off anything that's hot glued. The glue just clunks.
So that would be like an epoxy patch. An epoxy patch is temporary. We generally don't do an epoxy patch, but pebble patches are long-term. Yeah, made out of cement and pebble, 50-50 mixture.